sure matutuwa na naman kasi ito. Shopping from Jason Expert. So, put it in first. Wow! That's so cute. So cute. Okay, let's open. Yes. Wow! Wow! So cool. Ito yung mga shapes. This one is animal shapes. So, this one is clay. Sand clay. Ito yung paglalapagan. Then, ito yung 1 kilo sand. Okay, wow. Magtutuwa nito si Ethan. Wow. Container. Actually, this one is a different price. Each item has a different prices. And also this one has different price. Oh, this one has puzzles. Nine, 10. 10 cassette. Oh, matutuwa nito si Ethan. Magpiplay siya ng sand. Pag-gising niya later, ito unang-unang naman yung magpiplay ng sand. He won't be very cool. So this one is, let's see. This is animal shapes. So this is turtle. This is the turtle. This is the giraffe. And this is the duck. And this is I don't know this. Snail. This is snail. And this is this one is dinosaur. And this is elephant. This is rhinoceros. I think this one is hippopotamus. No. Yeah, this one is hippopotamus. And this one is, what's this? It's very difficult to write it down. A bird. Wow, matutuwa dito. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 shapes. 10 animal shapes. Wow. So, kailangan ito ng bomba. So cute. So dito kami maglalaro mga. Ito dapat yung paglalagyan ng sand para hindi magkalat. Para hindi siya makalat sa floor. So ito, kikita natin. Okay, wait. Lalagyan ko ng kunin ko yung panghipan. One moment. Yeah, I only have this one. Panghipan. So, kailangan natin itong lagyan ng air sa loob para dito siya maglalaro at hindi magkakalat. Oh my God. Bang, huwag ka dyan. Wait lang. Kasi lalagyan. Wow! Oh. Diba? Dito kami mag-play mamaya ng sand. Wow! So cute. Oh, diba? Hindi madudumihan yung floor. Tapos dito. At dito. And after maglaro, you have container to put in this. Could you help with this one? Thankful naman ako dito kahit ganito ito maliit lang malaking tulong siya para wow! Cool. Diba? Dito kami mag-play mamaya ng sand. Wow! So cute. Oh, diba? Hindi madudumihan yung floor. Tapos dito. At dito. And after maglaro, you have container to put in this. Could you help with this one? Thankful naman ako dito kahit ganito ito maliit lang malaking tulong siya. So So this one is from Dubai pa. Binili ko to doon sa day to day. Day to day Dubai. Okay, cool. Tapos na. Wow. Wait, pag-ising nila siya. Natutuwa talaga siya. Lagay ko mga ito dito. So, later natin ipagpatuloy ito. Ready ko lang para pag-ising na isa. Makikita niya agad ito dito. So, yeah. Ang ganda kasi sa bata, yung laging merong bagong at least na-enhance yung skills niya. So, from here, matututo siya. Wala na siyang matututunan dito. Kasi hindi kami nakapunta sa beach, kaya ito na lang. Nag-order ako nito kasi hindi kami magala. Ito, natatakot-takot. Bata pa siya. Hindi palagi. Minsan gumagala din kami, pero yung palagi talaga na ganito pala siya. Para siyang sand talaga. Wow, so cute. Wow. Kailangan lang talaga season after maglaro nito. Nakukugas ng hands. Okay, that's all. Thank you so much. Thank you so much also Shopee for sending this through JMP Express. Okay, thank you. Bye. Okay. Bye. Thank you.